Hey everyone, this is your boy FinTech Fixture. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Absher password just using Google Chrome or any browser. So you're going to go on Google Chrome and type in Absher. Then you look for Absher login. That will be the easiest. Click on Absher login. So then you're going to click on the official website, login Absher. So they will display a screen showing the login details where they are required. So you're going to state your username. Your username can also be your ID number, and that's your Iqama number. Punch it in. Then you're going to click on forgot password just below. So they are telling you to reset your password. Please fill the information below, the correct ID number, the mobile number, and also the image code. So under the mandatory field, you're going to feed in your Iqama number again, and also the mobile number starting with 5. The mobile number should be the one that is registered with Absher. Then after, you feed in the image code. Mine is 4179. Then after, click on next. Then here they require you to select a question, but in most cases you're going to select passport number. So you should know your passport. Punch in your passport number. Then after, you click on next. So they're going to send an activation code on the registered mobile that you used. Once you receive that code, you're going to punch in there. Mine is 4253. Then press on next. Then now this is the most important display where you're going to reset your password. So your password must be at least 8 characters long, must have an uppercase, a lowercase. So your password should fulfill all the requirements that are being shown for it to be considered a strong password. And it should be, you should have never used it anywhere. Not anywhere, but the Absher. Let's say you used it before and then you want to use it again. The system will automatically detect that that's an old password. We should use a new one. So I input in my new password and it should be strong. I have to confirm it there. The green ticks will be judging me whether it's a strong password, whether it has met all the criteria. So if they all tick green, meaning that you have passed the password reset process, they are all green, confirmed it, it's the same. So you're going to click on OK. Then you see the password has been changed successfully. You click on that Absher logo. You're going to confirm whether the password has been accepted by logging in again. So you type in your Iqama number and then also type in the new password and click on login. You have sent a verification code on your registered mobile, punch it in and then Kalas. Your Absher password has been reset successfully. Now, just using the website, you can just log out just above there. Then you also go in your Absher app and put the same password and open up the app. And then after doing that, you also go to your Nafash app. You use the same password and you can set it just like that. So thank you for watching. This is your boy FinTech Fixture. See you in my next video.